Hello, Ponzi coders. All right, we're going to finish up at least the first part of the app today in this video or a couple of videos. Just to review, we've now gone through and we have, through the API, grabbed the CSV file and put all of that information, which is the symbol, the last stock price, and the percentage, in this string variable stock text. So now we need to parse the file and then place the data that we want in symbol out, price out, and the change percentage out. So let's start doing that. So the first thing we need to do is go through and create an array. You do that by putting in string with the brackets, and I'm going to call this array tokens, and we're going to use our stock text variable. We're going to make that equal and say we're going to split into individual pieces of the array, and since this is a comma delimited file, the parameter we're going to pass is the comma. Alright, so this gets us to put all those, or to put those three elements into an array. Once we've done that, we want to create yet another string variable, and there's probably a if you refactor this code, there's more efficient ways to do this, but they're not going to be as readable. So that is why I am doing it this way. So let's go through this. So stock symbol now is token 0. You remember with arrays, the first element of an array is 0, not 1. So now we've got the stock symbol in this token 0, and we can just go through and do the same for stock price. We'll do that as tokens 1, and the third is the stock change percentage is equal to tokens 2. Now, do not confuse these string variables with these variables. These are actually reference variables. They're TextViews that point to our UI elements, and this series of string variables is really just used for parsing. So we've taken the stock text, we put it into an array, we've broken out and split each of the elements that were comma delimited into different elements, and now the first element, which is the symbol, has quotes around it. We need to get rid of those quotes. We do that by, you guessed it, creating another string variable, and this time we're setting it equal to the stock symbol dot, and we're using a new method called substring, and we'll go over that in just a second. Let's see, is it length, something like that? let's say -1. All right. If I could learn to type, that would be good too. Nope, that's not it. I want a parentheses. Okay, so let's see if we can make this bigger here. By getting rid of that, maybe. Getting rid of that. Getting rid of that. There we go. Okay, so let's go over what and how this method works. So stock symbol substring is saying on the left-hand side of whatever you have, which right now is this. It's a quote GOOG. So we need to get rid of this quote and this quote. So it's saying start 1 over and then grab everything until you get to the end, which is the stock symbol length, and then go back 1. So -1. So it's going to grab the GOOG and assign that and initialize that variable f stock symbol. It's going to put that in there. Okay. The stock price, oddly enough, does not have quotes around it, but the stock percentage does. So we're going to do f stock change percentage is equal to stock change percentage dot substring, and it's going to start with 1. Stock change percentage dot substring. And after I played around with this, for whatever reason, we're going to come in. We're going to come in 3 spaces. And the reason for that is here, let me see where I can cut this off here. Let's just do it there so we can read it. And what did I do wrong here? Substring. No, this is length. Okay. So to get the percentage, we're actually coming in 3 spaces from the right. All right. So now we've got essentially all 3 of our variables, and now we just need to assign them or put them into the UI. And the way you do that is, let's go up here and say symbol out. We're going to copy that, bring it down here. I'm going to say symbol out dot set text. So that is the method to set the text of our symbol out UI piece, and we want to set it to stock symbol. And so let's just go down the line. We want our price out. We want to set that text, and we want to set that to f stock change percentage. Alright, and I misspelled something here. Let's see, stock change percentage, f stock. Percentage with not 3 G's. There, that works better. Okay, let's go ahead and save that. And finally, we're going to do our percentage out. And I'm going to totally confuse you because I absolutely got that wrong. Actually, this variable is what we want to put in here, and this doesn't have an F because the price did not come with quotes. Okay, so let me put semicolon there, and I think, keeping my fingers crossed, I think we've got it. Okay, let's see if it works. Here we go. Okay, I'm going to click the get quote. So there you go. You get the symbol, the price, and the percentage gain, at least for today. Okay, that's it for this video. What we're going to move on to do in the next series of videos is, instead of hard coding to a particular symbol, we're going to let you put a symbol in, click get quote, and get very similar information. All right, see you in the next video.